Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I will be doing a product review. So last week I went to Sephora and I came across these hair products by a brand called Janeiro. They have this moisturizer called Bum Bum Cream that I've heard about but I've never tried it before, and I see that they just came out with a hair care line. I was like, let me try them out. I was gonna get some of their moisturizer too, but they ran out. But anyways, okay, so I picked up their shampoo and also I got their triple Brazilian butter hair repair treatment, and I used both products together for my wash day. They don't have any styling products yet, so I did my regular routine with my wash day. I sectioned my hair off into multiple sections and then I began washing my hair with their Brazilian Joa shampoo. The shampoo is color safe, and the back of the bottle says that our lusciously lathering sulfate-free shampoo cleanses gently without stripping, created with our Brazilian hair expertise and soul sealed technology to strengthen and smooth for your healthiest damage-free hair. This bottle costs $25, which is very expensive for a shampoo. I have a lot of hair, so I was actually expecting to use a lot of this, so I started off with a lot. I quickly realized that I personally do not need to use a lot of this product. A dime to a quarter size is all I need for each section. It says that it's sulfate free, but it felt like a clarifying shampoo for me, so if I were to use it again, I would probably only use it like once a month or every other month because my hair felt pretty dry after using this shampoo. After I bought these products, I went online to read the reviews, and a lot of people who use this shampoo have straight hair even though it's geared towards people with curly hair. So I don't know. Their hair reacts differently than mine with the shampoo. A lot of people were saying that it was moisturizing and smoothing, but I personally did not find it to be moisturizing. In fact, my hair felt pretty stripped, and I would only use a shampoo when I want to remove a lot of buildup. But after I washed my hair, I went in with their hair treatment, and I really like this deep conditioner. I really like the consistency of this product because it has a lot of slip, so it's really easy for me to detangle my hair. So this is a heavy duty treatment. It's definitely for people who have damaged or severely dry hair. And I'll be honest, most hair masks, deep conditioners, hair treatments do not make my hair as moisturized as this deep conditioner did. Like, my hair was very defined after rinsing out this deep conditioner. Getting my hair defined without product is something that I really struggle with because I'm low porosity, and if I don't use heat when deep conditioning my hair, it's just very dry, and that's part of the reason why my hair does not clump up much, because a lot of the time it doesn't have enough moisture. So I could really feel that my hair was moisturized with this product, and I even saw it when I styled my hair. This is probably one of the most defined wash and goes that I have had in a very long time, and if I can insert like a picture or video, I will insert it so you guys can see. This treatment is comparable to one of my favorite luxury hair treatments, and it's the Intense Hydrating Mask by Moroccan Oil. So I would put this one up there with that. The one thing that I do not like about this product is how small it is. It's only 8 ounces, and I just wish that hair brands would start making deep conditioner jars bigger. Like, this thing is $36 and it's only 8 ounces, meaning that if I want it to last, I can't use it often, which I wouldn't use this often anyways because it's definitely an intense treatment. It's when your hair is really in need of extra moisture or if it's a little damaged. So I wouldn't use it that often anyways, but it is kind of frustrating spending so much money on hair products, especially deep conditioners and styling products, and there's barely any in the jar. Y'all know this is like an ongoing issue with a lot of products. You know, if brands are gonna make lines geared towards people with curly hair, they really should make the amount larger because, you know, this is $36. A lot of people wouldn't spend money on something that they know is only gonna last them 1 or 2 times. That's one thing that I like over the Moroccan Oil deep conditioner compared to this one, because even if I get the really small bottle, I can get a lot more uses out of it because of that consistency. It's like really easy for me to spread that throughout my hair. Even though it's also pricey, I don't have to use as much of that as I had to with this one. But again, I really did enjoy this line. It didn't really bother me that the shampoo bottle was small because I don't use a lot of shampoo anyways, but I wish that brands would start making hair masks that are more than 8 and 12 ounces, and that's not my problem with just this brand. It's a pet peeve of mine in general. If you have smelled or used their Bum Bum cream, it smells very similar to that. You would enjoy the scent if you like fragrances, but if you do not, then you probably would not want to purchase this line. Even though I'm not extremely happy about the size of the hair treatment, I would still purchase it again. I would not purchase the shampoo again just because it didn't, it's just a shampoo. It's just a shampoo, and I don't really think I needed to spend $25 on a shampoo. I just wanted to review it for y'all. I'm gonna be reviewing a lot of products on my channel this year that range from very affordable to what's considered luxury items. So that's pretty much it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below and let me know if there are any other products that you would like for me to review. I will be reviewing skincare and hair care products, but if there's anything else that you would like for me to review, just comment that down below in the comment section. If you have not already subscribed, I will leave the subscribe button right up here for you, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.